Are you looking for the best RC helicopters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best RC helicopters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SYMA S39 RC Helicopter. There are plenty of different RC helicopters out there built for beginners to the hobby, or folks who have been flying for some time. However, the SYMA S39 RC Helicopter is a bit different because it appeals to everyone. With 3.5 channels, high and low speeds, and a gyro stabilizer, it's easy for beginners to pick up and advanced pilots to fine-tune their piloting abilities. Constructed of sturdy alloy material, it uses infrared controls for up, down, left, right, forward, and backward, while the built-in gyro lets it hover in the air. It can fly up to 10 meters in distance for up to 6 or 7 minutes per charge. It takes about 150 minutes to fully charge. Running on the 2.4 GHz frequency and for indoor use, a cool feature is the ability to fly 2 at once using the 2 selectable frequencies. The highly rated RC helicopter also has a built-in flashlight for flying in the dark. It's perfect for kids and beginners, but pros can have fun with it, too. Moving on at number 4. We have the Cheerwing S107. This Cheerwing S107 made it on our list because it comes with amazing features and a classy look. This is an incredible RC helicopter that is easy to fly for anyone, although it is considered a big boy helicopter. It comes in a cool blue color and depicts an appearance of the military-grade helicopters that are just too cool. One of the best things about this RC helicopter is that it is an excellent choice for indoor usage and it's featured in a variety of colors that you may like, in case blue doesn't suit you. The helicopter comes with an infrared remote control that has 3 primary parts, a central knob and 2 control sticks. The control sticks allow you to lean back or forward and turn left and right. The central knob is used to tune the frequency, and maintain it once twisted. Keep in mind that with this Cheerwing helicopter you can only fly it indoors, because the slightest gust of wind can spin it out of control. At number 3, we have the EXCOUP remote control helicopter. One of the most popular helicopters out there today is the EXCOUP RC Helicopter. It comes with a striking and vibrant red design that makes it stand out. It is easy to use and likely to fill many of your afternoons with laughter and excitement. Here's an updated model from the previous versions and it has a lot to show for it. The EXCOUP chopper can travel in any direction that you direct it, making it perfect for both beginners and experts. It features an electronic infrared gyro that is perfect for keeping the chopper upright and stable at all times during flight. It also comes with an outstanding level of stability, given the fact that it comes with coaxial rotors that work together to keep the chopper leveled, while minimizing risk of crashing. Of course, if you get the chopper for your kids, it is prone to crash at some point. However, this EXCOUP helicopter is made from durable and flexible polypropylene frame, meaning that it will not get damaged during the crash. One of the best things about this RC helicopter is that it comes with flashing LED lights that make flying at night possible, and more fun. At number 2, we have the SYMA S107 G3 channel RC helicopter with gyro. If you're looking for a RC chopper that is easy on the budget, the SYMA S107 G 3.5 channel RC helicopter with gyro is the perfect option. It's easy to use, it offers great stability, and it's very reasonably priced. The SYMA toy company makes this helicopter. The company is located in China. They make helicopters, quadcopters, and other technologically advanced toys. The SYMA S107 G 3.5 channel RC helicopter with gyro offers forward-backward, left-right, and up-down controls that are very easy to use. The helicopter uses infrared control, so it should only be used indoors. It comes with a lithium polymer battery that offers 5 to 8 minutes of fly time, and recharge time takes about 20 to 35 minutes. No assembly is required, so beginners don't need to worry about putting together small parts. Since it's a mini helicopter, it's easy to get used to flying, making it the perfect entry-level option. The product dimensions are 17.8 by 7.3 by 3 inches, and the chopper weighs only 1 pound. And finally at number 1. We have the SYMA S107 RC Helicopter with altitude hold. The SYMA S107 remote control helicopter is a great RC option with a decent range and good safety features to make sure you don't lose the unit. This RC copter has an altitude hold that lets you set the maximum height that you want the helicopter to fly so that you won't guide it too far into the air. This also makes a great function for use indoors so that the helicopter won't hit the ceiling. It can also be used outdoors to ensure that the helicopter won't get flown into tall trees and get stuck. This SYMA model comes with an anti-collision build that makes it more durable in the event of a crash. Accidents happen, and when they do, you don't want them to damage or destroy your helicopter. So, this build keeps your unit from getting damaged and makes it more durable so that it lasts longer even when it gets into a few crashes. There is also a one-button takeoff which makes starting it up and getting it into the air much easier. Just press one button and the helicopter will be lifted into the air and ready for you to tell it where to go. This also keeps the helicopter at a certain altitude once it is in the air. This RC helicopter is a great option for kids and young adults because of the safety features that come with it. Parents can use the auto takeoff and also set a maximum altitude to ensure that their kids don't fly their toy off into the neighbor's yard, or get it stuck in a tree. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.